usually don't love preachings, unless they are from Lord Krishna of Tiwari's Mahabharata that's played by you. So how do you feel, when you are thinking of it, like when people come and say that to you?
Lot many times I've seen forward of Krishna's picture with the message.
Yes.
I know that on YouTube there are many videos related to the teachings because Siddharth sir actually in every episode, even before the Krishna comes into the story, he kept Krishna from the very first episode as a teaching part. Whatever was the crux of that episode, the Krishna would say. I give credit for that only to these two people, Siddharth Kumar Tiwari and the writer Mihir Bhuta, who wrote it so beautifully, every episode, that still people think about it.
Yeah.
And Siddharth Kumar Tiwari for thinking something like that, And the best part about all that was that it is relevant even today. So those teachings were not those ancient teachings. Those teachings were like how you should be dealing with your kids, or how you should be dealing with your inner self, how you should be dealing with the negativities of life.
Correct.
All those are still present in one way or the another. So maybe that is why it connected with the people.
Audience, yeah.
Yes, I was just the face, but the real brains and the creative people are Siddharth Kumar Tiwari and Mihir Bhuta.
Do you feel or concerned about being stereotyped, playing all these mythological characters from long?
No, actually, if I count my number of things that I have done, in 15 I have done just 3 mythos. So the rest of them are different.
Yeah.
So I'm not scared that, I've done. Yeah, after Mahabharata I thought that I would do something else. But then you think something and something else happens.
Yeah.
Even though I said no to this, but this happened because it was supposed to happen.
Yeah.
So, but internally I'm not afraid. I'm not, because I've done different things and I know that I can do other things also. And also, I also believe that, 15 years before or 20 years before, mindset of people were different.
Yes.
Now, mindset is different.
Different, yeah.
Now they're more open to know that these characters are played by actors.
Yeah.
And they are not characters themselves,
Yes.
which was not that open earlier. So in that way also I feel blessed that I happen to do these things in today's time.
Yes. And which character was very hard for you to play till now? In complete, you take...
Yeah,
of
as
your
an
career.
actor, I give my 100% to whichever role that I do. I try and do that all the time. Even anchoring for that matter, I try and do that. So I will not call it hard. I will not call it that it was a pressure or something like that. When you're doing certain things, in between some scenes happen which require more of energy,
Yes.
more of emotional energy, then those scenes become hard. But when you enjoy doing those scenes, they are no longer hard. So I've enjoyed all the phases of my characters.
Okay. And Mahabharat brought you a lot of critical acclaim and lot more awards. How did that feel?
When you get love of people,
Yes.
you always feel good. When your work is appreciated, you feel good. And I felt good, and thanks to Almighty for bringing all this in my life. Hi, this is Saurabh Raj Jain. Watch my exclusive interview on iDream Media. Thank you.